Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to our second edition, or third, or whatever edition. This one is of the Pringles smell and taste test. And boy, oh boy, they're spicy.
Not just smelling, we're gonna taste them too. Oh, sorry, my hat. We're gonna taste them too.
They're very spicy. I'm gonna tell you that.
So,
And I like my good and spicy, like my buffalo wings. I love buffalo wings, but these are a different level. They're kind of like those Buddha or whatever ramen noodles.
Bodak.
There you go.
The pink ones.
The pink ones that are like super spicy. They're like not normal spicy. They're like the extra level of spicy.
So, we got sour cream and onion.
Yeah, that's normal.
Normal. We got, okay, let's start off easy first. Cheddar and sour onion.
And then we have the Pringles Hot Ones
Sour
Verde.
And we got the hot ones rojo.
And then we have the Hot Ones
Barbacoa.
Barbacoa. I don't even know how to pronounce that right. Barbacoa.
Jinx!
You owe me a code. Ah! Alright. We don't even care about trying the regular ones because those aren't spicy.
What's a video with that classic?
Okay, fine. We'll just go with the normal cheddar ones, okay?
And, yeah. Take that. Small
Take
one.
that.
Okay. Guess I get a small.
Fine, let's go. No, go back. Now we got the, we're gonna do the Rojo Caliente.
You heard that?
Caliente. Woo!
I wish you guys could smell that. Rojo. Oh God.
He has to convince me to even try them, like, as soon as
Look
we
at
leave
that.
the store.
Look at that, guys. Look at all that red powder. All right, 3, 2, 1. Oh. That's spicy.
It's got the aftertaste.
Yeah.
It's the aftertaste. It's the aftertaste.
Oh.
It starts off cool, but then your tongue is still on fire. Just kind of like the Verde, because I've already tried the Verde. Okay. I'm telling you right now, it's super spicy. It's super spicy. The
So
aftertaste.
which one do you think is more spicy, Rojo or Verde?
Verde. Verde is more spicy. It has a stronger aftertaste of spice. I'm just saying. It's kind of like, you know, vapes and, you know, this other stuff.
We don't have that red powder, but
It's got the green flavor of Verde. There we go. Ooh. Yep, that's spicy. Yep, where's my drink? Ooh. That's when you need some milk.
yeah.
Spicy. It's the aftertaste that lingers. As you can tell, he threw it back in there.
Well,
And now we
because
have
I
the
only ate half of it.
barbecue.
I only ate half of it.
Barbecue. Woo! Barbecue. Here you go. Smell that bad boy.
Oh, my tongue.
Oh, look at that red hot. Yeah.
Oh, I gotta get the one. Oh, shit.
Ready? Cheers.
Cheers. What? Wow.
Buffalo is way better.
Barbacoa?
If you want your tongue on fire
You mean barbacoa?
for the next 5 years, good with barbacoa. Because I don't even know if my drink can help it.
Oh. Maybe I need some of these.
I don't think so.
No. Oh, guys, that is spicy.
It's milk, baby, milk. Probably chocolate milk too. Knowing that one. See y'all later on our next edition. Peace out. Deuces.